I built 3 trains in SFS and a flying train. Now let's build a train. Looks bad. Now let's build a better train. Let's go. And I'm stuck. Let's go. It's fast. Whoa, I'm going fast. I'm going fast. No, I died. And I made a passenger train. Fast train. Whoa, crazy. Next train. Now let's do a diesel train. Let's drive. This is a diesel locomotive. Now let's make a freight train. This is so cool. This is a cable car, huh? And this is the Back to the Future train from the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. And here are the other videos.